Hi, everyone. It's Andrew with PitchHub. I just finished an article. I published it on LinkedIn. It's on micro habits that build on camera confidence. And I wanted to share a few highlights with you here. So, the truth is, very few people are amazing on camera right away. It takes practice, repetition, and yes, a good teleprompter to keep you on track. When I hit record, I don't stop and start every time. I just hit record and keep going. I use Zoom clips, which makes it really easy to trim my best take from that entire clip. You don't have to be technical to use it, and it's awesome because it's really high quality content. It records in high quality. So each time you record your script, you'll be more natural every time. You'll build confidence in yourself, but also in your audience will see that confidence and you'll get more engagement. Also, keep your videos short. People won't listen to a 5-minute video or watch a 5-minute video. Instead, aim for short, quick videos, quick updates, how to do clips, check-in type videos. Again, this consistency will build confidence in you and your audience. And speaking of pauses, intentional pauses give your audience a time to absorb what you're saying. You'll sound a lot more calm and present and professional. If you'd like a full list of these tips, check out my article below. I hope you'll find it useful. And if you have any questions, I'd love to connect with you. Thank you so much for watching.